My name's Azaro,
And I'm Malachi.
and today we're going around campus interviewing about back-to-school traffic issues. Hi, I'm Lazaro, and I'm here with.
Rylan.
What are some issues that you deal with traffic coming to school, and how does it affect your learning?
So some things I deal with traffic is just like, there's two lights where the plaza are, and those are terrible. Like those lights are like, they're like geeking and tweaking, bro. They're never on, bro. I always get stuck, and then these stupid Teslas keep cutting me off, bro. Low-key stim out sometimes. Like sometimes I'm in class, I'm like this. Like game, bro. Just speed it up, bro. I'm lucky I'm not honking on them Johns.
It's actually pretty hectic. I get out of my house like 30 minutes, and I get here like at the time I have to be here, like at 8:30.
Yeah, and how far do you live from here?
I live only like 7 minutes away, and it takes me like 20 minutes to come here.
And how is this affecting your learning?
Maybe I wish I could come earlier to maybe come and study with my friends. I wish I could do that, but the traffic just doesn't allow me to.
So, traffic these days, this year has been crazy for me. I've moved farther away, so I drive like an hour to get here, and then the traffic through the campus of IPoly and Temple is crazy, especially when you want to go to Starbucks. You have to go through the whole line of traffic. Waiting through those lights is it's too much, honestly. They should extend the time from when school starts from 8:30 to 9.
I agree, because I go down Amar, and in the morning it's always packed. Like this morning, it was making me late for my Starbucks, so I had to cut through a shopping center to go, get the green light. I got the Starbucks and I showed up on time, but I think school should start later, because it's hard for us to even find parking too. Like you have to loop the lot, sometimes you have to park outside as well. And yeah, if I don't get my Starbucks, I'm not engaged, because I guess caffeine in it, and I'm tired when I wake up, So I need something to keep me awake.
And then traffic's low-key, making me miss first block sometimes. Like, traffic be crazy. That crazy that, Ortega, I'm sorry.
Okay, Mr. West. How does traffic affect the students' learning?
I think it possibly affects the learning by arriving late, and once class has already started, it's kind of hard for the student and actually the class. It's kind of disruptive, people coming in late, so that could be definitely a challenge in terms of student learning.
Okay, so what's some advice that you could give?
Advice is possibly don't stay up so late so that you could possibly get up earlier. I know some people are dependent on parents' schedules as well, and so that's challenging as well. There's also kind of alternate routes where you can kind of find little back ways to get here. I kind of stumbled on one myself the other day. So yeah, there's a lot of different tricks, but I mean, really, traffic is part of our reality living in Southern California. But as it relates to IPoly, it really is doing the best you can to be here earlier and miss some of the times that it's heavier.
To beat traffic going to IPoly, plan ahead and use a mix of strategies. Leaving 10 to 15 minutes earlier helps, and apps like Google Maps or Waze can guide you around freeway jams. Have surface streets backups if the 10, 57, or 210 are clogged, and try carpooling to save time and maybe use the carpool lane. Public transit options like Foothill Transit, Metrolink, and campus shuttles also connect to Cal Poly Pomona as well as IPoly. Always follow the school's traffic flow in order to avoid these delays.
It's the end of our segment.
Hello IPoly, I'm Zeke.
And I'm Isaac.
And welcome back to school. And to get you guys ready for school again, we interviewed 217 of you guys about your favorite fast food fries.
And in this survey, we included all grade levels, but nearly half of our responses were freshmen.
Wait. Skip all this. I don't think anyone really cares about this. Everyone wants to know the top 3.
You're right, I guess.
Coming in 3rd place, McDonald's with 33 votes.
McDonald's fries have earned their legendary status for a reason. They're consistently crispy, golden, and downright irresistible. Each fry starts from carefully selected potatoes, cut to just the right thickness, then fried in a blend of oils that give them the signature golden color and savory flavor. Lightly salted at the perfect moment, they hit that sweet spot before the crunch and tenderness every single time.
In 2nd place, clearly IPoly's favorite was In-N-Out, putting it close to our 1st place contender at a whopping 37 votes.
In-N-Out was without a doubt going to be one of the top 3 for the survey. In-N-Out fries are known for having a balance of a crispy exterior and a somewhat creamy interior. Then it's topped off with a pinch of salt, and oh boy, you'll have the best lunch ever. In-N-Out uses fresh cut potatoes, then is cooked in 100% sunflower oil, which gives these fries their golden but light taste. Taking it up a notch, you can either order animal fries, which consist of cheese and diced onions, or simply a well-done batch, which makes your fries even more crispier.
Lastly, with 38 votes,
Just barely beating In-N-Out.
drum roll please. Chick-fil-A! Chick-fil-A waffle fries are a perfect mix of crispy, golden, and tender. That fluffy center wants you coming back for more. Made from premium potatoes and seasoned just right, these fries deliver a subtle, savory flavor that pairs perfect with any meal. Each bite is a satisfying crunch, followed by that soft, comforting potato inside. Want to take it up a notch? Try dipping them in Chick-fil-A's famous Chick-fil-A sauce. Chick-fil-A won the survey for the best fries of all time, according to IPoly.
Man, that was really a nail biter.
I know, right? Anyways, thank you guys for voting, and back to the news desk.
Hi, I'm McKean, and we will be interviewing freshmen on their freshman project, which is named Expeditions Unlimited. It is where freshmen go to a different country to research about what's going on there and some scientific stuff.
Hi, I'm a sophomore here, Danny, and I'm here with
freshman Jacob.
Ethan.
Okay, so what has been the hardest part of IPoly so far?
Making new friends, making connections with people, because I don't know anyone from IPoly here, but it's been going along well.
The hardest part about IPoly is probably adjusting to the workload compared to how our old middle schools gave us the light work. I feel like that we have to dedicate more time to studying and doing a lot more work and focusing on our project groups.
Who's your favorite teacher so far?
Honestly, I like all my teachers. They teach very good and very well.
Favorite teacher? My favorite teacher is Mrs. Tinnis. I think her class is very laid back. It teaches you more about working with groups and working independently. And it's a very self-guided class, and I like that about it.
Are you satisfied with your expeditions?
Yeah, my location was Borneo, and I know a little bit about Borneo, so having Borneo as a location helps me apply my knowledge to my semester project.
So my expedition for my project group, for our semester project, we got Chad, and I'm not really familiar with Chad, but I'm open to learning about new places, and I like to discover other people's cultures and how they live.
And how do you like IPoly so far?
I like it. It's very. They give you a sense of community and belonging. There's many different opportunities to like help people like connect with other people.
So far, I think IPoly is amazing. I love the people. I love how there's so many opportunities where you can form a sense of community, and there's many opportunities where you can get to know people and get out there and let yourself be known.
Okay, last question. What do you think about the students being able to go on college campus?
Honestly, I haven't been to Cal Poly on the college campus during lunch yet, but I feel like it gives like help people become independent of their own and like help you aware of like where they're going and what time they have to come back to class.
I think that it's a great way to help us connect and form friends and teach us self-guidance and independence within growing up and forming ourselves to be grown adults, and yeah.
All right, thank you.
Hi, I'm Akin, and I am a sophomore, and I'm here with Mateo. All right, Mateo, what advice would you give to the incoming freshmen?
My advice that I give to the incoming freshmen is really to take everything light. It's not that serious. I think for your first year, you should just try to get people you should get connected with your classmates. You're gonna have 3 more years of them. So I would say don't stress too much if you get like a B when you wish you would have gotten an A. We really want to have connections because it's a really small school and you're gonna know all these people for 3 more years. You don't make enemies. That's pretty much it.
And I'm here with
Andreas.
All right, Andreas, what advice would you give to the incoming freshmen?
You guys should not procrastinate. Like lock in your classes. Especially in tennises, because that class is, I don't know, she talks kind of slow. So you gotta really pay attention. Do your work. Do your puzzles. Do your coloring. Do all that she makes you do. Yeah, that's basically it.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, guys, that's it for the freshman interviews, and thank you for the seniors for giving advice to the incoming freshmen. Back to News Desk.